Welcome to JUUNOO Voltage, the online designer tool to create stunning designs and floor plans. Visit voltage.juunoo.com and start designing right away, even without logging in. To begin, click on Start Designing. You'll have two options to choose from: start from scratch or upload an existing plan. If you start from scratch, you'll have a blank canvas to draw your project. And if you already have a plan from an architect or contractor, you can use that as a guide to indicate which walls are JUUNOO walls and what type you want them to be. When it comes to file formats, you can upload standard formats like JPEG, PNG, PDF, and DXF. These will serve as the background for your design, and you can draw on top of them. It's essential to set the ceiling height and scale before you start drawing. These two factors play a significant role in determining the final price of your project. And by using a scale, we'll be able to see how long the walls are. With the plan in front of you, you can easily zoom in and use the pen tool to trace over existing lines. For example, if you know that the distance from one side to the other is around 12 meters, you can use that as the baseline. You can also adjust the thickness and saturation of the line. And if you need to, you can also rotate the plan. The next step is to add the walls. On the left side, you'll see a mode for drawing walls. You can choose from click wall, gypsum wall, and glass wall, and you can also add existing walls. In this case, you'll be overlaying the existing walls onto the plan, which is super easy to do. And there's even an indicator to show you whether you're drawing horizontally or vertically. Once you've added your walls, each one will be marked with a different color. This way, when you share your plan, both you and the JUUNOO team can easily see which walls are acoustic, which are glass, and so on. And when it comes to connecting walls, the walls will snap together, so you can immediately see the angle and how many degrees it is. When you're done adding walls, you can move on to the doors. You can do this in two ways: either right-click, select Add Door, and choose a left or right door. You can also select a door at the top left and click on the wall. Then, you can drag the door to where you want it. And just like that, you can start creating your entire plan. While drawing, you'll see the estimated price updating in real time. And when you're finished, you can download your plan or send it to JUUNOO. To do that, you'll need to be logged in. On the right, you'll see your plan, and on the left, you'll see an overview of the walls you've chosen, their total length, and the estimated price. You can toggle the doors on and off and add any attachments, like photos of the site, to give us a better idea of your project. When you're ready, you can download the PDF or get in touch with JUUNOO. Just click on the button and receive an email with all the details. Our team will get the same mail, so we can get in touch. Are you ready to design your space? Visit voltage.juunoo.com and let's get started.